Thank you for joining me, but before we get started, I'm going to show you 5 or more different moves, some of which include some popular Afrobeats dance moves. This is an intense cardio workout.
Feel free to start with the tutorial that is located at the end of this workout video.
If you are interested in getting like a full breakdown of these routines, feel free to check out my tutorials. Let's get it.
Switch sides. Throw the arms down. Remember to crunch those abs. Okay, now twist it out. Now let's speed it up. 4 times. Repeat this workout to make it a 10-minute routine. If you enjoyed this workout, be sure to like, share, and subscribe.
All right. Well, this is a sangra. So the first move is sangra, and we're going 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, ba ba ba. 1, 2, march, march, march. To the other side. Up, march, march, march. 1, 2, march, march, march. Okay? Then, voila, step out, step out, step out, step out. Let me go faster, faster. Good. Okay? Then we do a kick. In the pilolo, it goes up, here, here, here. Pilolo. Up, step, step, step. Up, step, step, step. Ring it around, okay? All right. Brazilian move can go somewhat like this. And it goes here and down. Up, and so it goes, watch. It goes step forward, step back. Step forward, step back. Step forward, step hop. Step forward, so it's like this, right? So let's do the other side. Up, up, up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Takes a little practice. Okay, and then we go hop, step, step, hop, step, step, hop. Good. Faster. Good, okay? Then the next move is down, step, march, march, down. And march. And down. And down. And down. And faster it goes down. Alright, the last move is a punch. So it goes, ready with a punch, punch, step, here, punch. So you're punching with the right foot, left foot, I'm sorry, right foot, left arm, and so you're going punch, 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 punch. Let's go slower. Punch, 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 punch.
If you enjoyed this workout, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you'll know what's coming next.